Hey there, Angular enthusiasts, it's Leandro, your navigator through the intricate world of Angular. Before we dive into today's tech trek, do hit that like button, and remember to subscribe for more Angular insights. Today, we're delving into the intricacies of reactive forms in Angular. Reactive forms in Angular. It's more than just a catchy term, it's a fundamental paradigm. Think of it as the strategic chess play in form management. Reactive forms allow you to not only respond to user inputs, but also to strategically manage the state and flow of the form data. What makes reactive forms a cornerstone in Angular? It's their adaptability and robustness. They're like a master architect, capable of molding and shaping to your specific requirements. They offer enhanced form state management, streamlined testing, and yes, they're a notch above in your developer toolkit. But how do they operate? Picture your form as a sophisticated, interactive system. Reactive forms enable you to construct a stream of input values that you can observe and manipulate. It's akin to orchestrating a symphony with your form, where each note is a user interaction that you're attuned to. And the highlight? You're the conductor of the symphony. You can initialize default values, apply validations as user type, and respond to changes instantaneously. It's like being the director of an interactive play with your forms as the star. So unleash the potential of reactive forms. Elevate your form management from a routine task to a dynamic, engaging process. It's not just about building forms, it's about crafting user experiences. That's all for today's episode of Angular Mystery Box. If you enjoyed this journey through Angular's wonders, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Angular awesomeness. Until next time, keep coding, keep exploring, and remember, every line of code is a new adventure. This was Leandro. Peace out.